Welcome everyone to this year's conference. Thanks for coming. This is the biggest conference we've had for a long time. We are excited to share with you what God's laid on my heart on what does it mean to saturate Indiana with the gospel of Jesus Christ.
And I say that because let's plant the right type of churches. The right type of churches that are reaching every man, woman, and child. That are releasing every Christ follower to take the gospel in every nook and every cranny into every county in Indiana.
You've been won to Christ to get built up and send out so that you can win people to Christ and build them up. And you're an 18, 19-year-old and you're looking for a cause. There it was. Sandy, I have saved you to build you up so that wherever you go, you are going to keep passing the baton to the next guy and the next gal and the next guy and keep it going.